every place have them jerk one going. You have to show mango.
Yes, man.
What kind of mango them have?
East Indian, no?
East Indian. See here, guys. Humpy's jerk.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's a custard.
Zip.
Yeah, man. You're in the building, right?
Yeah, man, in the building.
Canada.
Yep.
But it's the first time?
First time. I have a festival at Eglinton West.
Alright, you hear that, guys? So right now we're heading to Eglinton West. Well, matter of fact, we're at Eglinton West. Yeah, man, just check out the festival what they have down here and check out some of the food stand they have down here. And you know what I mean? They say they have Tarrus Riley, so we're gonna catch a little bit of that and see how it is. Yeah, man, we're gonna show you guys how it go. Yeah, we're bringing it down to the street of Little Jamaica. Yeah, man, we're bringing it. Yeah,
Jamaican flavor in Canada.
In Canada. See there, right at Dufferin and Eglinton, and close off the street from there. And you guys remember the video that I did at Kingston 12 Party Shop? That's it right over here. I'm not even gonna go over there because of the music, you know, copyrights already. See? As the guys can see, the sign said, "Welcome to Little Jamaica Festival." Right, so you're gonna see all different kind of vendors here and stuff too, you know? So the sign said. Yes, guys, as you can see what the sign said. Little Jamaica Festival. Welcome, Toronto. So right here, so we have Cheryl Caribbean Cuisine. As you guys can remember when we reach it, when we come at Cheryl. Go on, family. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man.
See a vlog.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Don't know it already.
Alright. We'll get some vlog with Dejeuner.
Yeah.
You know who Dejeuner is?
No, who is Dejeuner?
Dejeuner is actually an artist from Toronto that has a hit song with Tarrus Riley.
Really?
Yes, called Road Boy.
Really?
So she's here to meet up. They're probably going to perform the song tonight, but Tarrus Riley invited her out.
So you're gonna perform tonight?
Maybe.
Well, he said today or tomorrow.
Today or tomorrow.
So Tarrus Riley gonna perform tomorrow too?
Yes, but if you take a look at her song, it's called Road Boy.
When name?
Road Boy. Tarrus Riley featuring Deja.
Deja. D-E-J-A. Deja.
Yeah.
Alright, so for sure.
Alright.
But either way, she's probably going to perform something that Tarrus invited her.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright, so we're gonna walk around and see what go on, you know?
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. As you guys can see, this is just part of it down there, so is, as you can see, all the way down there, so is where the main, where the stage is and all of the people and all of the vendors and stuff like that. Yeah, man, so this called Little Jamaica. Yeah, man, Eglinton West. Here, guys, Humpy's jerk. Yeah, man. Humpy's the man himself, you know. Yeah, man. What you say, brother?
No, man. That's one.
If you're real, man, see how the grill on the outside there.
You go, so, man.
Alright.
Have everything there, man. Cook up on the grill, man. There's some fish you up on it and then some let's see.
Yeah? Alright, some jerk chicken and some more.
Yeah. And some fish. Show you some of them fish I have to cook up on the grill there.
Where?
Come on, go on, grill up.
No way, that's it. Look at them, look. All pan in, man. Look there. How much pound this? How much about 50 pound this one? Man.
That's stuff it on me there.
So,
right now.
how we had the roast fish?
Yeah.
Alright, you know what? I go forward back in a little bit and
Alright.
check it. Alright.
Yes, master.
Yeah,
You got yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Marvin Grill. Yeah, man. line up here, guys. All the way down. Straight from yard. See the guys, straight from yard.
Yeah, man, I can call after the staff.
I'm ready for so. Oh yeah, I said. What the guys? Look at this. You can get all the peer them. Yeah, I said, man.
Yeah, man. Black mango.
Black mango?
Yeah.
Look here. People, when I feel like so when I get them thing in Canada, we get to look on it. We get the peer. Look there. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah?
Yeah, so nice, man. I see a peer them, I see a black about that, them are not so.
And you see the peer nice?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. See all of that, guys, look at that. You have all different. Look at the line here. So I'll show you guys. From the music because, you know, as you can see, all different kind of feeling of one here, so you know. Yes, guys. Yes, sir, yes. As you can see, around this party, them are reopen it back. Look at it, guys. Yeah, man. This party right here. blues skirt. Oh, go on, brother. Yeah, long time, man. Look at this, guys. See, every place have them jerk one going in. Have them jerk chicken, them jerk pork and all of those stuff. Yeah.
Water, ice cold drinks, peanuts, pistachios. Water, water, water.
They can't go back where they came from. No demonic words were found. Shall prosper, yeah. Within the open inside and sound. Because it can't touch it. Hey, we give thanks for life. We give thanks for life. We give thanks for life. Rise like a sunrise, right, come on, right, no one can walk up high. I'm in the middle of fight, who walk with the size of my eye. When you get so what you want to, do what you want to, it's no not so to me. The common of my own vision, from my own vision, do my best to do. When it's mine, to do anything I want to. Oh, and I music anything I want. Inside bubbling over, but in that direction of where I something not around. What's something not around? And the sweetest sickness feeling inside of me over. Oh yes, you're better feeling inside of me over. Everybody say something not around. Love's contagious. I don't need to be close. Well, when you fill up my prescription, be like a new brother. You're like my vitamin, you keep me up.
Alright guys, so as you can see, heading home. Yeah. Festival. Nice.